Welcome to Frontline Supplies. We supply disposable wearables to the food industry. So whether you're manufacturing food, whether you're preparing food or serving food, we've got you covered. My name is Brad Gooden, founder of Frontline Supplies. Have you ever had a sales rep tell you the following? We can give you quality, we can give you service, or we can give you price, but you can only have two. Pick any two you like. I certainly have. Quality, service, or price, pick any two. As a company, we decided it was time to change that game. We give you all three: quality, service, and price. Let's talk about how. In a typical supply chain, there's a manufacturer who supplies a wholesaler, who then supplies a distributor, who may then supply one of their regional offices, and they got to make a margin too, who then supplies you, the end user. Margins added at every step. Frontline connects the manufacturer of the product to the end user of the product. By doing this, we are guaranteed to save you money. This means that you can take advantage of our direct-to-market supply chain. You get quality, you get great service, and you get great pricing. We give you all three. We not only guarantee to save you money, but we also guarantee you uninterrupted supply. If you are looking for ways to improve your stability, the cost and reliability of your disposable wearable spend, we would love to talk to you and see how we can save you time and money. Thank you.